Da ka jing tumu wan penyo yak yogi han na ka bentai ki jingmi ba pher jong ki nongrem ki nongri jingri ki nong snatiar da ki bat kiwe ka sarkar jila Meghalaya ha ka laitrik unailur kelas dang yak wei pat ka project ka bathamai bla beitinga da International Fund for Agriculture Development IFAD. Ya gani ka project latip kum ka Meghalaya Livelihood and Access to Market project. Ka jing pulut ha gani ka project kanang hadu chispa $9 million ha ka ba en bei da ka IFAD da ka ram nang ta ki ram na ki bank ka sarkar jila bat ki nong khayi bat baro ki jing trai jong gani ka project kin hap hapo ka jing page jong ka Integrated Basin Development and Livelihood Promotion Program. Ya gani project la play da Menteri Rangba ka jila o Dr. Mukul Sangma ha ka jing yalang ka bla long hayujana bhavan ha ka bala dan lang ki Menteri Sarkar ki Parliamentary Secretary u Chief Secretary ba PBO warjari ki officer bat kiwe u Dr. Mukul Sangma ha bakran ha gani ka jing yalang u long ba ki project ki bakum kini kin yarap ki pajba banyo ya ki yogi hat kin ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot jongki khamtam na ki jakan nong kendong ha kan ni gisngi la plat pat baru ya ka jing trekam ka Integrated Basin Project Hawes Khasi Hills.
If we need to ensure that our natural resources are capable of creating sustainable livelihood, then we need to integrate all our interventions in such a way that they can actually create that kind of positive landscape for enabling our people to pursue their sustainable livelihood. Therefore, are we capable of ensuring that our people do not have to migrate from the rural to urban? That we can ensure that our people in the rural areas feel that okay, they are well placed, rather better placed than any other persons, that they may group to their beautiful villages and engage themselves in harnessing the potentialities of the resources around them, which is the natural resources. We need to sometimes correct things if they are not correct. Traditions and culture, rich cultural heritage which we talk about, if it is not capable of creating a platform for inclusive growth of our own beloved people, our own Jack Andrew, then what we are talking about? If we really love the Jack Andrew, then we'll have to create that opportunity. It can't be discriminatory. The program has to be inclusive. I have shared with my politicians, let us not engage in developmental agenda which is not inclusive.